If I'm given a data set in a litigation, first thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to try to figure out what is it that I have. And that means that you have to identify the variables, what they represent, what are reasonable values for those variables, that are in your data set. And then you're going to have to clean up the data by making sure that you don't have missing values and that everything's within the reasonable ranges and everything makes sense as best as possible. And the bigger the data set, the more work that's going to be because you have more individual things that you have to look at. Well, that's why you write programs to check all that. And then once you have the data cleaned up, then you have to define the question that you're trying to answer with the data. And you have to look at the data to see how it relates to that question. You have to figure out what you want to do with the data. And that means you're going to calculate some probabilities, you're going to estimate a model, are you you're looking at frequencies, are you looking at just differences, whatever it is, and then you process the data in context of the question that you're trying to answer. And then when you have the answer or a proposed answer, then you have to check to make sure that it's a robust answer. Is it a delicate answer? Is it an answer that would change if I changed my techniques of analysis, right? And so your goal is to have a robust answer in the sense that if I use more than one technique, I'm going to come up with the same answer. So you try to attack the same question in a number of different ways so that you can build confidence in your answer.